guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danelle and I'm Jamaican living in Switzerland, and in today's video we are going Christmas tree shopping. Yay! It's Christmas time, it's the festive time, and I think this is a nice experience to share with you guys. So you're gonna come with me to pick out a Christmas tree. Also, in today's video I'm going to share with you 3 traditions that are practiced in Switzerland. Let me know in the comment section if your family celebrate these traditions in your home. I learned about these traditions when I came here, but if you want to know about those traditions, stick around for the rest of the video. But first, let's go buy the Christmas tree, okay? I'm here, and if you see over there, I don't know if you can see very well, there are Christmas trees there. Now I have to wait for free parking, but there's so many Christmas trees. I don't know if they'll allow me to film. We hope so. And yeah, I'll catch you later. Or should I go around? Let me see. Maybe. I had to ask for permission before I started filming, so yeah, I'm there now and I'm going to look at some trees. So this is my selection and I have to select from everywhere here. Okay, so my apartment is not very high. It's like 2 meters, so I can't get something too big, too high. I really like this because it's full and nice. This place is not always here, it's temporary, and they make pallets on the floor. I find it's really cool. So guys, help me look out and tell me if you see something that I might like. This is actually nice. This one is actually nice because it's not too high, it's full, it's not too spacey, but I don't like that here has so much space. It's too spacey up here. This is nice. In my opinion, it's nice because it's quite full on top here. It's quite full. And it's full on the bottom as well. Okay, I think I'm going a little bit into the bigger trees, which is too big for my apartment because we just don't have the space. Ooh, this is really nice. This is really full and nice. Let me look at it properly. I need to put the camera down. Yeah, so I think this one, this one here.
The first one?
Yes.
This one?
I take that one. Thank you. Okay. Yay! Yay. We found a Christmas tree. It's going home, baby. It's going home. Okay, so this is how they pack it. I'm gonna show you. Put this in here. Okay guys, and that's how you buy a Christmas tree. Now I'm gonna get it in the car, get it home. See you guys later. Ciao. Oh gosh, it's very heavy. No. Oh. Gosh, guys, this is a heavy and muddy. Oh. I'm getting there. Could you see? It feels like Christmas. Oh gosh. I hope I don't damage it somehow. No. Oh. I'll have to get it in the car. Oh. Guys, oh, I did it. We did it. We bought our Christmas tree. Look, the family next door is also stuffing their car with the Christmas tree. That was so much fun. I think I want some more lights. And some decoration. So let's go buy that. Let's just do it since we're outside. For sure they won't let me to they won't allow me to film it, so I'll just show you the decorations when I get home. Ciao, thank you for coming. Guys, Christmas tree is serious business here. That's another family leaving with their Christmas tree. Oh gosh, serious business. Okay, so now that the Christmas tree is out the way, we'll decorate it another day, I think. Let's talk about the traditions. So Advent. Before I came to Europe, I had never heard of it. So what Advent is, or the celebration of Advent, is the celebration of the coming of the Lord. So 4 Sundays before Christmas, here in Switzerland, and I think in certain countries in Europe, they celebrate Advent. So a nice bouquet is made with 4 candles, and each Sunday before Christmas a candle is lit. So the first Sunday of Advent, the second Sunday of Advent, the third Sunday of Advent, and these are usually 4 Sundays before Christmas Day, and these are called Advent Sunday, right, Hannah? Yeah, Advent Sundays. And you light the candle and kind of reminisce on the coming of the Lord. You know, you dedicate this an hour or 30 minutes and you reminisce. Also, the tradition here is that, like, on the second Sunday, it's called Nicholas Sunday. It's basically Saint Nicholas. They're celebrating him, and that's a whole different. So it's so much I can't remember it, but yeah, that's the celebration of Advent, these 4 Sundays before Christmas. All right, the next tradition is one of my favorites. Really love it. Basically, what the Advent calendar is it's like a treat calendar. It's like a calendar, so it has 24 days before Christmas. And I'll explain that why it's 24 and not 25 days. So it's 24 days, and each day before Christmas, from the 1st of December, you look for, let's say, number 1 is here. So of course this video is shot after the 1st of December. So David has already opened it, and this is usually for the children. So here is, you open this door and there's a treat inside there for you. Number 2 on the second day, and it goes on and on until the 24th of December, which is when Europeans celebrate Christmas Day. That's their big Christmas Day. You know, for us, Christmas Day is the 25th. For them, Christmas Day is the 24th. And that has to do with the Jewish old calendar, and there's a whole bunch of complicated things behind that. They were taught that Christmas, or Jesus, was born on the 24th, the night of the 24th. And so their gift giving is on the 24th, the celebration with the family is on the 24th, and on the 25th is kind of like our Boxing Day. It's like the next day where you go and visit the extended family and so on and so forth. So for me, that's a complete change. It's like I have to rethink my whole life there. Like, Christmas is not the 25th. What? But yes, they celebrate Christmas. They celebrate Christmas on the 24th, and kind of as extension on the 25th. Okay, so before I bring this video to a close, today is the 6th. No, is today the 6th or the 7th? Today is the 7th of December, and I don't think David has opened it for the 7th. So I'm going to open the 7th. The 7th. I'm looking for the 7th. So it's not in any particular order. It's very random. So the 7th is, where is the 7th? Did he open it? That's the 6th. 20. I'm so excited to see what's in here. Where's this? Oh, so here. The 7th is all the way down here. So I'm going to open this. It looks open. No, it's not open. There's something in. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yes, so there's something in there. Yeah, so basically that's my treat for today. So you can imagine each day you get to pick something from the Advent calendar. For us, we're eating it together. You get to pick something from the Advent calendar. That's very exciting for children. And these Advent calendar are, you can build your own. You can build your own or you can buy from the supermarket. There are ton loads. But they're usually with chocolate. This is from Lindt. It's a big chocolate company here in Switzerland. So they're usually with chocolates, different treats and so on. I really like it. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something today about the celebration of Christmas in Switzerland. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah. Mwah.